Hello Prakash bhai.
Hi.
How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
Good to see you. Lovely restaurant.
Oh, you're coming now? To the restaurant?
I came many times. So tell me, what services you offer?
We do offer a lot of services like DoorDash. We do have and Clover menus, and also we do a lot of caterings.
Lovely.
We're also having like Sana events and Garba events. We are planning like a lot of community events. We did like live dosas, and we took the food and to any community if they wanted, like if they approach us. We
Lovely.
take the food and do the live dosas, and also like we keep a lot of our menus over there.
Awesome. I remember you did one in Kite Festival recently.
Yeah, Kite Festival, the Sai Baba Temple, and also we did India Fair.
Oh.
Yeah, so and also like the biggest one was the India event one, India Fair, and also we are going with Diwali Mela, and also like lot of Garba.
Awesome.
Sponsoring food.
Awesome.
And also we are going for next, I think October 1st we are going for the 4K run. We are the
Oh, wonderful.
Come visit Godavari. It's a beautiful restaurant. You will feel your like students like me who are missing home will feel the taste of your mother's food over here.
Oh,
So
lovely.
You can come and have that anytime over here.
Thank you.
We do also offer like buffets. Every Saturday Sunday we will have different buffet. Like it starts from 11:30 to 3.
Okay.
And last week it will be 2:30, and we are making a lot of varieties of the dishes. It's more than 30%.
Wow, that's a lot.
And the biggest buffet in this area. So I think everybody do visit this place. And
Amazing. Amazing. Why not? It's mouth watering already.
Come check this. Come check this.
I had a masala dosa,
Okay.
and it was very good. I liked it a lot.
Awesome.
I had extra sambar with it, and
Oh.
the sambar is very good too. But one improvement I would suggest
Sure.
is I know it's not common here in the U.S., but in Britain, when you go to Indian restaurants, they always have like mango chutney.
Oh,
And
wow.
I like mango
Mango
chutney a
chutney.
lot. So if I could suggest that you guys get
That's a
mango
good
chutney.
feedback.
Yeah.
I'll tell the owner
Uh-huh.
and would love to get you added on
Yeah.
the menu.
Sure. And he likes onion chutney. I'll let him.
Oh, nice. फूड कैसा है आंटी?
బాగుంది
क्या अच्छा लगा आपको?
మంచిగా బాగుంది
मंचूरियन आंटी
వివేక్ చికెన్ మటన్ పెట్టాలి తింటున్నా
मंची क्या पसंद है आपको? इन दी बेस्ट
మంచూరియా
मंचूरिया एवरीवन लाइक वेज मंचूरिया So why should I come to your restaurant and not visit other restaurants?
Because this is not truly South Indian. Because Godavari is South Indian, but we do have like a lot of South Indians and North Indian dishes here. Because if you go with paneer butter masala, paneer 69, paneer tikka, these all things, right? They come from North Indian, but it's like caption of South Indian. But we do have like every Indian can enjoy your authentic food and they can enjoy the food.
Lovely, lovely. I would recommend to the people. Thank you for your time and wish you good luck for your future business and expanding the business across different states.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Take care.